Good morning, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Uttara. Good evening.
Sir, can I show my drawing, the homework?
Yes, please show it. Okay, this is good. The the body can be little bigger actually. Okay, so that is all. Otherwise, all the details are very good.
Sir, can you sir?
The body can be little bigger actually.
Oh,
Okay, so otherwise it's all right. Everything is good.
can I show my this?
Okay, so this is very pretty. So you can add more leaves also. Clouds also very nice. This is very good. I like the bird also out there standing. Okay, good work. Very detailed. Good work. Okay, fantastic. Who else can show the homework? Okay, I'm seeing from Anvita. Show it, Anvita. Yeah, the horse is very beautiful. The hair is carefully done. Okay, very good, very good. Perfect. Very good work. Maximus, the name also is written beautifully. Okay, the tree and the shading is very good for the tree. The cross lines, uniform cross lines that you have done nicely. Elephants are good. Good work.
Sir?
Good work, Anvita.
Sir, actually, I made the canvas painting, sir.
Okay.
Canvas painting. Can I
Okay.
show one of that one?
Anvita, the sketching you practiced, the lines can be smaller actually. Smaller squares you can make it. With the smaller square, you can fill it actually. Okay. Need not make it long lines. Even smaller uniform short lines are good enough. Okay, Anvita?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good work. Okay. So I'm seeing from Kritika. Okay. Horse is looking nice. The neck has become a little bigger actually. So you need to check if neck looks a little bigger actually, you know. So that you need to check it. Otherwise, I like the look. Eyes are good. Okay, good work, Kritika. Shading also nice shading. Okay. These elephants are marching. That's also very good. So a little bit of shading can be done in the body of the elephant. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good work. Good work. Who else can show homework? Greenath. Greenath is showing. Okay. Okay, very nice. Maximus is looking more bigger actually. His body is bigger, right? So, okay. So, can I see the legs a little bit up? Okay, okay. Okay. So, the proportion of the hair, the leg to the body has some little issue. Leg can be a little bigger actually, you know, little longer. So that you can decide in the starting, I simply draw a line, simple line for the leg. So like that, in that stage itself, you can correct that actually, okay? Otherwise, shading is good, details are good. The proportions only, you need to check it actually, okay? Good work. Okay. So Advik also has done nicely. We saw from Advik, right? Okay.
No, ma'am. No, sir. You did not see from me
No?
the horse.
Oh, okay. Show it. Okay. So this is good. I like the eyes, the way it is looking, mischievous look. So that is good. The shape of the horse is good. The tail, shape of the tail and the hair of the horse is good. Legs also good actually. The shapes are very, very good. Shading also very nice. Good work. Beautiful. Okay, good work.
Sir, I drew the other picture also.
Okay, show it, Greenath. Okay, nice. So some darker shading can be done. So contrast can be increased. Shape of the elephant also nice. Okay, good work. More leaves can be added for the trees. Okay, good work. Okay, fantastic. So let's get started. So I've seen the homework from most of you, all of you. Okay, Uttara, you wanted to show one more artwork, right?
Sir?
You wanted to show one more artwork.
No, sir. That is what the canvas painting I did, sir.
So if you like to show, you can show it now. Oh, that's a small canvas you have done. Okay, so looking good. Very small, now. The colors are good and silhouette
Sir,
is.
this paint is acrylic paint, sir.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Okay, good. Very
Thank you,
good.
sir.
So we have one more course for acrylic, course number 4. Last course we have for acrylic.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in that we'll be doing shading like this. So in that we'll be doing like this. And more sceneries, all that we'll be doing. Okay, fine. So let's get started. Today we are going to draw birds. Okay. So we'll start with the simple bird, kurvi. Then also we'll do some herons and
Sir,
peacocks.
from Rio movie and
What, Uttara? Tell me.
from Rio movie, sir.
Neo movie, Finding Nemo, right?
No, sir. Rio.
Neo. Oh, okay. Neo, I don't know. I haven't seen. I'll see it. See that and tell you later. Okay, so let's draw birds. Where are the birds? So remember, using simple basic shape itself, you can draw every drawing actually. Okay, all drawing you can do with the simple basic shapes. Okay. Today is 18, 10, 21. Today is class 3. Class 3 birds. We are going to draw birds. So with a simple basic shape itself you can draw. Okay. So just recollecting. See, look at this. The horse you can draw simple one. This is a very basic shape, right? For the head. You don't have to draw this. Okay. So another simple shape like this, connecting. You should try to do this again. Okay. So remember this. See this thing. So here itself you can see the shape of the horse, right? So like that you should remember the shape. How are we doing it? That you should be remembering. Okay. Try to do it again and try to remember. So see, drawing the horse is so simple, like this couple of lines, right? So I can draw very fast like this. So once you know the shape, you can draw very fast. The horse looks cute. So like that. So generally how to draw birds. Okay, so you can just observe this, then you can draw. So I'm just drawing a line. This is general bird, a kuruvi. Okay, so this looks like a D, the shape. I'm drawing light line. Okay, so you can draw this. You can draw this. Then after that, so I'm also going to draw the head of the bird like this actually. A simple oval shape. Okay, simple oval shape for the head of the. So I started with the line, then I made this shape. So in future, if you are trying to draw something which we have not teached and something new you are trying to draw, you should try to see this the finished horse here. You should try to see a circle here. So try to see a circle here, right? For the neck, it is like almost like a triangle, right? You should try to see those kind of shapes. Okay, so remember this approach actually. So that's very, very important. So this is a basic shape. So I'm trying to see the bird in this shape. Okay. I lost power. There is a power fluctuation. I got the power back. Okay. Okay, so this is the basic shape. I hope you have drawn this. So now the beak, I'm going to draw the beak. So I'm drawing the beak has upper beak and lower beak. So I'm simply drawing this line. I start with this line. Okay, this is the line between the upper beak and lower beak. So I'm going to make the upper beak. So both are like a triangle actually. Upper beak is like this. So it's a simple line. Upper beak is like this. Lower beak is little thinner actually. Okay, upper beak is thicker. So lower beak comparatively it is little thinner. So I'm just drawing like this. So I can also make this line darker. So you can always see that there are two types of line, light line and dark line. Both I draw. So when I'm sure, then I make it darker. Otherwise, with a light line, you can try to draw light and try to figure out how the shape is coming up. Once you do this, immediately, without forgetting, in the upper beak, you need to put a dot. Why? What is the dot? Is it Mukuti or what?
Nose.
Yes, you are right. It is nostrils actually. Okay, so this is beak and this is nostrils. Okay, for further, we have to do the eye. So eye is always, see the middle line we drew, right? So if I extend that line, I mean, it is little above the middle line. Okay, not in the middle line, it is little above the middle line. See, this is the eye. You can draw, it is not a perfect circle, it is little bit like a oval actually. It's a little bit like a oval. You can also draw like we have that eyelashes, eyelid, right? So the birds also have eye.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir?
Yes, Kanda.
Sorry for coming late.
No problem.
Can I show my homework?
We'll see later actually.
Okay.
Now we start drawing. So all are drawing now. So you should join.
Yes, sir.
See, there is a round. So around it, I draw another very close curve. It's eyelid. The bird quickly closes and opens. That's eyelid. Okay. Then I'm going to make a dot in the center. There is a dot in the center and little bit of shading also you can do either in the top or in the bottom. Some shading you can do. So this is the very important and basic thing. Skanda. So Skanda, look at this. So I'm going to draw like this actually. The bird I'm going to draw. Observe this. Observe this. See, I'm drawing a line like this. Okay. Are you observing Skanda? Okay, so I drew a
Sir, I'm doing from the first.
to do this, you don't have to do the horse.
I'm doing the bird.
Yeah, I'm showing how to draw the bird. You draw a line like this, then around this, there is a shape like this. This is like a D, right? There is a shape like this. Then you do this oval. Okay, oval shape for the head. Okay, that is all. Then you can do the beak line. Okay. So now we need to connect the body, all that we need to do. So this line is good enough in the top of the head. This is all correct. So when it comes down, so look at this in the body. Now I can make a this the shape like this. So it goes like this actually for the body. So it's a little bit, it is bulkier here. So there won't be a straight line, right? So little bit it is bulkier. There is a curve happens this way. So in the back of the bird, it is like this. So, so what is important is the front. Back, no problem. You can simply just connect it like this. So no problem. But in the front, okay. But in the front, you should not follow this line. Okay, you should not follow this line. Instead, so instead from here, okay, from the lower beak, this line comes like this. See this? The neckline comes like this. The neckline comes like this and joins to the body. Okay, then it is easy. Yes, Kanda.
I cannot see. Should we? I cannot. I don't know how to draw the eye. Should we draw like should we draw like straight line then semicircle or normal circle?
See, I'll show you how to draw the eye. So here,
Okay, sir.
here you can draw the beak like this. There is a line, middle line. You start with the middle line. Then there's upper line and lower line for the beak, right? Then after that, this middle line, right? So little above the middle line, here you can draw the eye. Okay, so eye is like this oval. Okay, the oval. Then there is another line also above the eye. I'm drawing. It is like eyelids. Okay. Then in the middle, I'm making a dot. Then some shading I'm doing. Okay, so that's all. This is how you can do it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so now you know that upper line you can draw like this. The lower line, there is a difference. It should not follow the curve of the oval. It has to be like this. Okay, then joins to the body. So this I can make it dark and it's a small tail kind of thing. It goes, but actual tail. So there is a line I did in the body, right? So in that, the real tail is going to be there. So I'm extending this line. That's going to become like a, this is the tail. So I can draw one more line also and make another feather of the tail, but that can be little shorter. Then you have to do the wings, and wings is very simple. All you have to do is make a simple curve here. Okay, so that is all. Very simple curve like this, and that's the wings.
Finish, sir.
Okay. Okay, further we need to draw some feathers. Okay. Drawing feathers is very easy. A line and a curve. Remember, two words, line, curve. So I would draw a line and make a curve. A line and a curve. So you can make, quickly you can make line, curve like this. That will form nice feathers. Okay, so we'll make the bird sit on a branch. So I'm going to draw.
Sir, sir,
Yes, Kanda.
is the face should be oval or circle?
It is oval only.
Okay, sir.
It is a oval. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to make a branch here. There's one line, and this can split into, there is another line. This can split, and I can make this simple and beautiful leaves. So where are the legs? So we won't see much of the legs. So I simply draw a small curve here to look like the legs, the feet. Then I can give some shading. So in the kind of bottom of the branch, I give some shading. In the bottom of the branch, I'm trying to give some shading. Also, I can add some curvy lines, simple curvy lines. And a few, instead of all leaves, few leaves I can make it darker. That will make it look good. So I'm not making all the leaves darker. Okay, this is good. Further, some shading can be done for the bird. So above the eye, generally, for most of the birds, okay, it is going to be a little darker actually. So right, the head, the top of the head will be a little darker shade it has, most of the birds. So for the top of the head, I'm trying to give some shade like this. Some feather-like things I'm going to add in the neck like this. Neck. I'm still not erasing the guiding lines. So you can erase the guiding lines if you want. So here also few lines I'm trying to draw, like the fur in the body of the bird. Just drawing few lines like this. Okay, so the tail also I need to give some shading. So I'm trying to give some shading for the both the tails. I will make one more darker like this. I'm making one more darker, one tail more darker. Okay, so by and large, this is good enough. After this is generally a kuruvi or a bird. Okay, so once you finish, you can show it to me. After that, we'll try to draw some different birds. And
Sir, can I show?
this is okay. Very good, very good. The lower beak is very small. Huh? You looks like you made it very small. That's all right. Um, that's all right. This vertical line here, this line can be erased actually. So there is a line and a curve. These feathers can go all over. Okay, you need not stop in this line. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, Kanda.
I finished.
Okay, show it.
drawing.
So Kritika also was showing. Okay, so you have finished it simply. There is a small curve you need to do in the back of the bird. Okay, so small curve you need to do it. Okay, it is
Okay,
not.
sir.
It is small curve you need to do it.
Okay, sir. I can do it now.
Yeah, do it and show.
Okay, sir.
I'm going to see from Kritika. Okay, Kritika. Okay, good. Tail looks a little smaller. Okay, that's fine actually. Okay, looks good. So I'm seeing from Anvita. Okay, nicely done. The tail, you need to give shading for the tail. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm seeing from Greenath. Okay, head is okay, body is okay. The tail can be a little longer actually. Okay, and the angle is very important. So it is like extension of. We started with the line, right? That line has to come straight. It is like that. Okay, the body extension of the body line. It has to be. So that line is a body line. Extension of the body line should be. Okay. Shading.
Sir? Sir? Sir, done, sir.
Okay.
Sir?
Yeah,
Sir?
sure. Yeah. Yes, tell me, Skanda. Okay,
I finished drawing. I finished doing my
okay.
corrections.
Show it then. So I'm
Okay,
seeing
sir.
Advik now. Advik, it is good. Advik, there is a correction actually. Advik, so here in the neck, right? In the neck, it is not this line. You should not follow this line. It has to be like this.
Okay.
Okay, so it has to be like this. That you need to do. So you need to erase it and do curve like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, I'm seeing from Skanda.
The
Okay, now it is good.
corrections is done, right?
Yeah, it is done. Correct.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now Anvita has shaded that. Okay. Looks good, Anvita. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay. So we are almost done. We can move on to the next bird. Okay. So we can move on to the next bird. We see somebody talking. So maybe Advik can mute it. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So now that's a cute small bird, but it is going to be little fatty. Hmm. So I'm just making a oval, a little bigger oval, and this looks like an egg. And this for the body of this bird. And for the head of this bird, it is like this. So you have to note the position actually. So the where trying to draw the head. For the beak. So I start drawing a bigger line for the beak. So you need to keep guessing the bird. What is this bird? You need to guess.
Hummingbird.
Hummingbird also, yeah, that is also a nice guess, but it is not a hummingbird.
Kingfisher.
Kingfisher is perfect. There's a long beak, upper beak. Upper beak, I'm planning like this. The upper beak. Comparatively, lower beak is little smaller. So I'm making the lower beak like this. Since we know what is this bird, so I'll draw some fishes. Yeah, kingfisher. So I'm going to draw some fishes in the beak. This is one fish. Okay, there is another fish in other direction. And I'll draw one more fish is escaped. So without forgetting, we have to make the dot, and this is the nostrils. So making this darker spot, this is nostril. Okay, so just above this upper, the beak line, so we have to make this eye. So I'm making this eye. So one line like this. There is another line around this. So another closer, very close. We can draw another line. There is a dot and some shadow from the top. So the upper line, there is no problem with the upper line. So these both the shapes we can connect them gently like this. But the lower line, it has to be in this way. You have to do. The curve has to be like this. Then so I'm just making this shape of this bird goes like this. So it has a cute small tail. So I can make for the wing. So I just made one line for the wing. So let me complete the body also. The tail of this bird is very interesting. A small tail it has. A thick and small tail it has. So the tail comes from here like this. So like this, and look at this, there is a line like this. So this is the tail, right? So this line comes small tail. It is a wider and smaller. So in between, I can draw 2-3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Okay, further some feathers can be added. This line and a curve. So I'm trying to make them bigger actually. These feathers can be, I can do like this. Then we can do some shading also. The shading in the upper part of the head, it is dark blue. It will be in dark blue. So that I can give some shading in the upper part of the head. And close to the eye, it has a white spot. Even peacock has a white spot close to the eye. So below the neck also, I can give some shading. And some shading in a few feathers also I can do. Below these feathers, I can do some shading. Okay, then add a simple, just indication of a branch and a curve for the feet. Some shading and curvy lines. And a little bit of shading for the tail also. The starting point, definitely there will be a shadow. So that I'm trying to give. A mild shading can be given for the lower beak generally because it will be less light.
Sir, finished, sir.
Okay, show it. So we are done with the kingfisher. Once you finish, you can show it.
Finish, sir.
Okay. So
Sir?
from Uttara. I'm seeing from Uttara. Okay, Uttara. Kingfisher can be, the beak can be a little longer, but it is all right. Or it is thicker, can be a little thicker. So these feathers should come to the body. Oh, you are leaving a small gap now also. These feathers, right? Feather lines can. Okay, good work. Yeah.
Sir,
Okay, who is- Yes, show it, show it.
I'm showing it.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay, this is good. The head, the round what we oval you make for the head can be little bigger actually. Okay,
Okay, sir.
nice. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. So next we will make. I'll wait for you to complete and show. Then after that, we'll make a bird with long leg.
Sir,
Yes, Kanda.
I also finished my corrections.
Show it. Okay, so we increase the height of the head. Okay, fine, fine. Okay, nice.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So I'm seeing from Kritika. Now Kritika is showing in a different angle. Kritika, the tail has to be little smaller actually. Can be little smaller. The shading is good. Beak also nice. Okay, the head can be little bigger actually, but it's all right. It's all fine. Okay. Okay, good work. Okay, Girinath, it is nice. You are trying very good. Okay, shading is good. Okay, Girinath, nice, nice. And Girinath, in this here, this place, the shape looked a little bulged. Okay, on this place. Okay, just keep in mind that is all. So, so Anvita, it is good, very nice. I like the tail. Tail is also good. Looks like it is a thinking bird. The beak can be a little bigger actually, but it's all right. Looking good. Good work, Anvita.
Thank you, sir. Sir, done, sir. Advik.
Show it, Advik. Okay, this is nice. Need darker lines. So this is nice. Okay, this is nice. You are doing good. Make darker lines. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. So I've seen from all of you. Let's make the bigger bird. So the legs are interesting. Also, the neck. The most interesting part of this bird is the neck. Okay. So I'm going to draw the body first. So generally, in any drawing you make, okay, so the bigger geometrical shape in that artwork, that you need to do first. So I'm just making this body first. The body looks like bike tank to me. Okay, so this is a light line. So light line I've done. So I'm going to draw the, see in the bottom, I'm drawing a line because this is going to be the land. Okay, so the leg, what we are going to draw. Okay, so can be one leg can be like this, can come like this, can go like this. And one more leg can be in the other side. So that can come almost straight. So these two legs. Okay, maybe we can complete legs. Or it is okay, we'll complete later. Now this is how I'm planning actually, okay? So where is the head? The head can be somewhere here, right? I can make this the head, this is the size of the head.
Sir,
Yes?
is the body should be like
Mhm.
the body should be
Hmm.
is the body should be more bigger or more thinner?
Should be like what I am drawing. Should do like egg shape. And then this is leg and the head is. So whatever you see, do like this.
Okay, sir.
So decide this body, then decide the head like this. There are two heads we can draw. Okay, normal head is a simple line like this. Simple line like this. And there is upper line and a lower line. This simple heron. Maybe I can draw another head. Another head we will draw later. So in this drawing, so the important thing to understand is the neck. Neck should be like an S, right? So the front beak is in this direction, exactly opposite to that. In the top line should start coming. Okay, top line should start coming like this. Should start coming like this. Then after that, it is going to take the shape of S. And um, and it is going to end here. It is making a nice curve like this. You have to try your best to make this smooth curve. So once you make one curve, then other curve is easy.
Sir, is it a crane?
Crane or heron, like we can say pond heron.
Flamingo, sir.
The pond heron. Okay. We will make flamingo also. Everything is same except the beak. So I'll do the flamingo also. See, one line, if you make it, the other line, you can start making like this. So other line, it has to be, it is starting from here, but you have to maintain the same thickness. This neck, you need to maintain the same thickness. It's going to come. But where it is attaching to the body, it has to be a little bigger like this. See here, where it is touching the body, it is bigger actually. Okay, so that is all. Then you can make a dot for the eyes. And some these pond herons have these hairs also. Few hairs, so 2-3 hairs coming in the head like this. And okay, so this you need to try best to make it. And the wings are very simple, just another line like this. So another line, and I can make some feathers like this. Let's try the legs. The upper legs are, even for the human or horse, the upper legs are bigger, lower legs are smaller actually, right? For the upper legs, I can so around this I can make one line to the right, one more line to the left, and this is like a triangle actually. This is upper leg. Okay, this is upper leg. Okay, this leg looks like a triangle, and this upper leg. And lower leg, it is only simple single line. So this is one upper leg. There is another upper leg in the other side. So before that, I'm drawing this body line strongly. Then I simply make this one more upper leg in the other side. So now it is standing, it is bent its head or something. So the head bent can be in different shapes. Okay. We need to finish the fingers in the leg. Wait, Uttara. Leg can be little longer, Uttara. Okay, so the fingers, there are three fingers in the front and one in the back. Okay, so look at this. So here, let me draw a little bigger actually. So if the leg is like this, so one, okay, 1, 2, and 3. So these 3 in the front and 1 in the back. So this is how. So you can, this is very easy. 1, 2, 3, and 1 in the back. Here also can do the same. Now it looks like completed. But I'm going to draw one more head. And that head of the flamingo. The same bird, if you want to draw like a flamingo, so this is what you have to do. So let's make one more head here. I'm just making one more head. Only for the flamingo, the beaks are a little different. Beaks are bent like Beckham or damaged beaks, I don't know. So look at this, this line, and it comes like this. So this is how it is bent. And for the lower beak, it is a curve. It is a curve like this. For upper beak, it is a clear bend. For lower beak, it is a simple curve. So in between, I can make another curve like this.
Sir?
Yes, Kanda.
Sir? Is it a must to draw the flamingo head?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Interesting. The dot I did, so okay. So this, instead of this, if you draw the flamingo head, and it's going to be flamingo, and so I'm trying to draw some light line and trying to draw some light line and trying to attach this to the it is not very nice, but it is okay. So some yes curve I'm trying to make it. So looks like this bird has two heads. Okay, some shading you can do it. Little bit of shading I'm going to do for the neck. Little bit of shading. Bottom also. Little bit of some shading I'm doing. The leg in the other side. Some strong shading you can do. Light shading for the leg in this side. Okay, you can show me once finished.
When I finished, sir.
Show it. You don't have to.
I finished, sir.
Show it. I keep seeing. Okay, good, Skanda. Good. But first drawing, what you make, the bottom of the neck has to be bigger when where it's joining the body. Okay, so that carefully you need to draw. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See the neck. Yeah,
I'll
when it
note
joins
that
to the body.
and I will do my corrections.
Okay. I'm seeing from Uttara. Okay, neat and good, Uttara. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, flamingo head also you can try it separately. Okay.
Sir, actually I did the flamingo head, sir, but
Okay.
I draw somewhere, sir, not near the pond around.
Okay, fine.
So I erased it.
So I'm seeing from Kritika. Okay, very nice, Kritika. Very nice. And the flamingo, the null strong, make stronger lines. The bend can be more prominent. The bend can be more stronger actually. Okay. So that's how the bird is actually. Okay. Okay, good work.
Sir?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir? Sir?
Yes. Yeah, you don't have to call me. You just show it. I keep seeing. Okay, Skanda?
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, the neck is bigger now. Okay, fine.
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay.
you.
I'm going to see from Girinath. Okay, Girinath. Okay, Girinath, it is good, but you have to remember that the neck, when it comes down, where it attaches to the body, it is definitely it is bigger actually. Okay, and where it is starting from the head, it is little smaller actually. Okay, so that correction you need to do it. I like the flamingo head. That is good. And then length of this pond heron of the leg can be little longer actually. Okay, good work. I'm seeing from Anvita. Okay, so Anvita also leg can be little longer actually. The head is good. Anvita, nicely done. The head, both the heads are good. Okay, good work.
Thank you.
Okay, Advik, I'm seeing from Advik. Okay, Advik, the yes bend is nice. Still, the curve can be better actually. Look at this. This is really looks like an yes. Okay, you can keep that in mind. Okay, otherwise good work. Okay, very good. So all have completed and so next drawing you have to draw quickly. Okay, we are going to draw a story kind of thing, not a story, something. Then after that we have to draw peacock. So the next drawing, try to make it quickly. Okay, so you're ready. So let's make the now the same bird, heron, whatever same bird I'm going to draw, but it's going to fly actually. So I'm making the body in this shape. I'm making the body like this, and the head is going to be like this. So body like this, head like this. Then the beak is going to be like this. Okay, so make the head, then body. Then to make the S curve, it has to start from here, right behind the beak in the opposite direction. Then this S curve happens. Okay, then one more curve, one more curve also I'm doing. Then I'm going to draw the legs are going to be like this because it is flying actually. Okay, so this one leg and one more leg is going to be like this. And you can draw a kind of a triangle for this leg, this line, stronger line. This has to have like the fingers are going front this and one is going back like this. The other finger so going like this. Body line I'm drawing, then other leg I'm drawing. But I'm not going to draw the line for the wing because it is flying and the wings are going to the sky, going to the going like this curve for the wings. Another line like this, and there is a rough thin line I'm drawing. Second line I'm drawing like this. So this area I can divide into some 2, 3 like this and like this. So why I'm dividing? So I'm going to draw a lot of line and a curve. Lot of feathers I'm going to draw. Drawing more feathers are very easy like this. You can draw the feathers like this. It's very. There is going to be one homework based on this. Swan. There is going to be one homework. Okay. This is one wing. One more wing. We don't have to give the details. I just simply. So we already know. So there is one more. Cars. There is one other class going to be the cars. Okay, so we made this bird fly. Some lines in the body can do. Since it is flying, I want to add some water droplets. There are so many water droplets happening. It is below this, there is a water. So I'm just drawing this. Drawing this little lines, oval shape. And some water droplets are coming out of this. Few water droplets you can draw. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
how should we draw the down part where is the water is wading?
It's just droplets. You draw like this.
No,
Droplets you can draw. And
the
this is
droplet and the
oval.
droplet கீழே இருக்குதானே? The
ஆமா,
down
ஆமா.
of the
In the oval.
droplets.
Look at this line.
Yes, I don't know how to draw. How we should draw that?
So this same droplet. Look at this like this only.
Not that, sir.
So you have to draw.
The down the droplets are here, right? Then down. I don't know how to draw the water which is
Listen.
going. It is
Draw
just
some.
down the droplets.
Listen. It is simple oval like this. Okay. Look at this.
Okay, sir.
Got it. Simple
Yes.
oval. Okay. So now I'm going to draw the frog actually. Okay. For the body of the frog, I'm going to draw this simple oval. So whenever you are confused, try to think of very simple shapes. Okay, don't get confused. Think of simple shapes. Okay, so here is going to be a simple oval I did. So I'm going to draw a frog. So the head, I'm just making another small oval kind of thing. In the body, I'm going to make some dots. So in the back of the frog, it has some designs or patterns. So that I have drawn. Simple dot on the top. Then hands and legs are easy. Just this one line. This is for the hands. Fingers, you can some 2, 3 lines you can draw. For the legs also, you can draw something like this. It's very simple. the leg you can draw double line like this. That's all. So I don't know what's happening. So, but you can think of a story between them. So where frog is jumping, so here also, so I'm going to make these ovals for water. Some droplets we can do. Okay, so this artwork is done. So complete and show, then we'll do peacock.
Sir, I finished, sir.
Okay. Okay, nicely done. So oval வந்து இன்னுமே thinna போடலாம். So it can be very thin. But it's okay. This is good. Leg can be bigger actually. Okay. Okay. Looks like you didn't have space for the wings. Okay, that's all right. I'm seeing from Kritika. Okay, nice. Nicely done, quickly done. Okay, good. Looks good, Kritika.
Sir,
Tell me.
I can show.
Okay, nice. Okay, good work.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Girinath. I'm seeing from Girinath. Okay, Girinath. Good. Looks like Girinath also does not have space. Okay, good. So let's do the peacock. Peacock head only we are going to do now. So I'm seeing from Advik. Okay, Advik, nice. So let's do the peacock. Okay, so peacock head we are going to do, and so here is the this oval for the peacock head. A perfect oval for the head of the peacock, and also making a line for the beak. So the line for the beak. So next line, so upper beak for the peacock, it is bigger. Here I'm making another line. Trying to make it like this. The lower beak is smaller.
Sir,
Yes, Kanda.
what are we drawing?
Peacock.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Anvita, it is good. Start next drawing. We'll see in the end. Looks good, Anvita. Yeah. Start drawing the peacock. In the nose. So the beak. So it looks like I'm going to make a triangle like shape around the beak. And the eyes are going to be very beautiful for the peacock. This is the oval, and there is a dot. There is a dot, and so I'm going to plan a highlight. So a small circle I'm drawing. This is a highlight. A small circle I'm drawing. This is a highlight. Then after that, I'm going to give some small simple shading like this. Okay, so this is the eye of the peacock. Then a very close line. So trying to draw. As usual, a close line I have drawn. Now for the peacock in the bottom also there is a white space. Okay, so for that I'm trying to make this structure. This area will be white. The rest of the area we have to shade. This area will be white. Okay, so then the head. So you need to be careful to when you make the shape of the neck. So from here the neck starts and goes like this. So this is the shape of the then other. Then from here the other, like a horse, this neck also very big. So like this, the neck is very strong. It starts from here, but it is making this curve. Start from here, and it is making this curve to make the neck very bigger. Then in the top of the head, there are some bumps. This has some bumps also like this. From there, you know, it has this antenna kind of thing, right? Beautiful antenna kind of thing. So you can draw number of more number of antennas, something like this. In the end of each antenna, there is a shape. There are other small like flower or like more antennas. It has some shape. This is what like a crown. This makes it more beautiful. Okay, so I'm further the top of the head. We generally we do some shading in the top of the head. So in addition to the shading, it has these bumps. So that bumps also, I'm going to look at this. The dark lines, I'm going to make many lines. This bumpy head. So I just made more these round shapes. So I did this bumpy head. Then you can start giving some shading. Little darker shading you can give because it's a dark blue, right? So there is a white space below the eye, so that you should not fill it. Otherwise, you can start filling the body of the peacock. So there are two steps. First, you can fill with uniform lines. Then after that, you can find the dark area and make them darker. So I'm just doing the first step. I'm just filling the whole thing with some shade. So even top of the head also. Okay, so I've given this shade. As I said, some darker area. Where is the dark area? Just below the neck. So here, below the head, here can be little darker. Behind the neck, it can be little darker. So these two areas only I'm trying to make it darker. Okay, this should be good enough. So let me make the beak darker. Some little bit of shading for the lower beak also I can give. That is good enough. Yeah. Okay, show it. The neck, you need to correct the neck. The neck is small. So in the back, after this curve, it comes straight. You see, it is coming straight, right? That you need to correct it. And beak can be better. Right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, the middle line has to be very clean. Beak can be better, and the neck also has to be bigger actually. Okay. Okay, good.
Can you show me the homework?
I'm seeing from Kritika. Okay, Kritika, nicely done. Flamingo மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் போட்டிருக்கீங்க. This the front there is a shape that you have captured, but need not be so protruding or so sharp. Okay, so it should be very
Sir,
gentle.
can you show me the?
I will. Wait, Putra. So okay. Otherwise, rest of the things are good, Kritika.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So there is one more. So I'm going to, you don't have to draw. If you're interested, you can draw actually. I'm going to draw a peacock standing in a tree, but it is in a very simple full peacock I'm going to draw. Look at this. This is the body. This is the body and the head. Okay, this is the head. The beak is kind of same beak. Now the neck is very big, right? So that's going to be like this. The neck is very big. So it is going to be something like this. And we have this nice crown for this peacock. So it is very simple to draw such a big. You can draw this the big these feathers and peacock feathers you can draw, and these can be some like eyes. You can draw so many eyes. So many eyes. Then in between, I'm trying to draw many lines. Okay, so I'm trying to draw the peacock with most simpler way. The neck, definitely it is darker neck, so I need to make it darker. Some feather lines. So in the end, it is very interesting. It is going to have this shape. Look at this. Okay, and so this also has a longer leg. So probably somewhere here I can draw the branch. Some branch I can work on. So the drawing, these leaves are very simple. Whenever you draw more leaves, it's going to look more beautiful. So this is how a big peacock you can draw. So another thing also you can watch, the peacock feather of the peacock also I'm going to draw. Quickly I'll draw. Look at this. So this is going to be the shape. So I'm going to start with the D, something like a D. Then there is a V, and this I'll make it darker. Then I draw a line in the middle. I draw a line in the middle. Then around this, I'm going to like the light, deepam light, like that. I'm going to draw. This is one. Okay. Then around this, I can draw one more. So when you draw this, then after that, it is just matter of drawing parallel lines. 1, 2, 3. So like this, you can draw more parallel lines and peacock feather. 1, 2, 3. Another 1, 2, 3. One more line. Now the more lines can go in between like this. It is very easy to make.
Sir, can you show me the homework?
Wait, yeah, I'll show it. So I'm drawing, right? Are you seeing, watching? Are you watching or not?
Yes, sir. I'm
Sir.
watching, sir.
Okay, so show me. So these right two you don't have to draw, but if you're drawing, so I'll be happy. Complete this peacock and show me. So I'll also show the homework now. So there are two homeworks. The first homework is going to be the swan. Sharing. So look at this swan. This swan, you can see the wings. There is a S curve for the neck, and there is a little one also. Right. So in the background, you have to make it darker. When you make the darker, automatically the swan will look more beautiful. Okay. Yeah. So this is one homework. And the one more is going to be dancing, Japanese dancing cranes. Look at this, they are dancing. They are dancing cranes, and those little birds also dancing in the bottom. It is easy to draw. So you can check the video and draw, okay? The
Okay,
drawing
sir.
birds is
Sir, finish drawing, sir.
show it. Okay, Uttara, fast drawing, Uttara. Okay, Uttara, good. See the neck, I said neck has to be thicker. Where it is joining to the body, it has to be thicker actually. Okay, so that you need to do it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good work.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Sir, done.
Okay, show it, Advik. It is really good. Nice. Very good. Good
Thank
work.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I'm seeing from Greenath. Okay, Grinathan. Grinathan has made the neck bigger. Okay, looks nice. The upper beak, there is some issue with the upper beak. See, after drawing this line in the middle, okay, this upper beak goes like this actually. There is a small shape here. Then after that, it comes like this actually, okay? So that you have to notice and do it. Okay, good work. The shading is good. You are doing the shading very good always. Okay, good work.
Bye.
Okay, bye, Girinath.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye, Advik. So Anvita. Take your time, Anvita. Finish it and show me.